there is this intimate connection between fashion and decor, what we wear and how we live. So today we're taking it out of the studio, we're in my home, so join me for a mini wardrobe and home tour. So we're starting here in the kitchen. This is the heartbeat of the home to me. I don't get to enough, but I absolutely love nurturing my children and my guests with a home cooked meal. But I also want to look really cute in my outfit. So when I step into the kitchen, I step back into the 50s. I love wearing aprons. It protects what I'm wearing, and it's actually quite slimming. My kitchen is what nourishes my body, and my garden is what nourishes my spirit. When I first moved here, I was told that nothing would grow in this yard. I was on a mission to cultivate this land. I did, and not only has it grown, it's flourished. Now it's a wonderful place where I come to retreat, to meditate, to think. So I keep it really simple. I don't wear any jewelry, not even a watch, because I don't want to watch the time. And I love natural fibers in this natural environment. This shirt is a wonderful Ralph Lauren linen top. It's got great pocket details, and I love how you can roll up the sleeve. Another place I come to retreat is here in my master suite. So it's so important that it's clean and it's beautiful. I also come here to get away with my little sidekick, Blanca. She's like my favorite thing ever. But I also keep in this room two of my favorite pieces. We've got my secretary, and then on the middle shelf is the lavabo. And the pattern on the lavabo reminds me so much of the pattern in this Tahari blouse. Thank you for joining me in my home. I would love to hear comments about outfits inspired by rooms of your house. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for the latest from Strut.Fashion, and click the links below so that you can see the outfits I've chosen for you.